Office jongka District AIDS Control Officer Ribhoi District mentaka sngi ka artrik unno pra kala rakhe ya ka AIDS Day ya ka bala pelong ha science hall hanongpo ka jingrakhe ya ka ni ka sngi ka long shibenta ban pensa priang ya ka khobor halor ka jingma jong khniang jingpang HIV AIDS bat ban penshai ru shakipai ba ya kilat jingyada na ka ne ka jingpang ha kane kasngi lawan bani don rengkat kumukong san do menteri ka sarkar jilla uma sostene sotun ubadei u MLA ka jirang harengkat u Abhilash Bharanwal u IAS officer ubadei u deputy commissioner ka Ribhoi district kumusumbut kongsan ka Dr. E Kalwing ka district AIDS control officer Ribhoi district ki samla pule nursing lembat kiwe de na kalyang ka Dr. E Kalwing District AIDS Control Officer Ribhoi District kalayatu ba Ribhoi kidon kumbah news pa prapu arngot ki badon yu teu khniang jingpang HIV hadu mentau snem bat na pedeng kite saus pa prapu ngut kide ki badang im bat uteu khniang jingpang kala ongru ba ka jingele bat rat dengkhong yu neu khniang jingpang kamsyong tang hak tanat jong ka koi ka khia hanrei ka don kam ka jinge trelang bat baro ki kunhun nadu ki nong yalam snong ki nong yalam niam bat kiwe de bat klempep sisin kasngi on sala ban rat dengkhong yu neu khniang jingpang na ka jilla bat ka rihi bro ka wei
virus spreads through hidden streams unprotected love at risk it seems let's break the silence show we care for those living with AIDS we dare stand together hand in hand fight the stigma across this land. Life goes on with care and love, strength below and hope above. Together we fight for a brighter life. Blood transfusion, attended gift, sharing needles, a deadly shift. Mother to child, a silent past, a virus that spreads through love and glass. Let's break the silence, show we care for those living with AIDS we dare stand together hand in hand, fight the stigma across this land. Life goes on with care and love, strength below and hope above. Together we fight for a brighter life.
Response sends a powerful message. It challenges us to look beyond fear and misinformation and to approach HIV with knowledge, empathy, and dignity. Because behind every numbers, behind every PLHIV is a life, a family, and a story. It is a growing concern in our Ribhoi district as well as in the state of Meghalaya. We are witnessing a concerning rise in HIV positive cases. Our state prevalence is 0.43%, double national coverage of 0.1%. There are about 10,000 people living with PLHIV in Meghalaya, and out of which 500 are children. And in Ribhoi district, there are about 782 PLHIV, and out of which only 480 are on treatment on ART, out of which 364 have achieved viral suppression. This is a good news for us because one PLHIV they have achieved the viral suppression. That means undetectable, that means untransmittable to others. So we should encourage all people living with HIV to come to ART so that they can they can achieve the viral suppression, so that they can live the normal life like you and me. This increases in number is not random. It's not just happen overnight. It's deeply linked to high-risk behaviors, as we all know, the mode of transmissions of HIV, that is including unprotected sex, unsafe injections, substance abuse, and lack of awareness regarding the preventive measures. Unfortunately, despite progress in treatment with the highest quality of drugs, availability in our program and awareness program. The infection is still ahead of our prevention efforts. This should concern all of us, not just health workers, but communities, students, institutions, and also families. One of the greatest challenges we continue to face with HIV is stigma. People living with HIV often face discrimination, not because the infection is incurable, but because society still holds outdated belief and fears. Stigma forces people into silence, discourages them from seeking testing, and isolates those living with HIV from the care and emotional support that they need. Let us remind ourselves, HIV does not define a person.
Any other issue prevalent in the society. The reason is because if a proper attention is not paid to how to control the menace of AIDS, HIV, it's something that can enter any house without knocking on the door. And that the entire society should be watchful of. We have all heard from Dr. Iqbal that what are the statistics, simultaneously the ways of transmission of HIV. But the point is that apart from this program, Dr. Calvin, my request is to take this message to every village, to every school, to every college, so that it serves two purposes. First purpose is that people are aware, people are vigilant, and simultaneously it also enables us, or it also basically helps us to eliminate the different kinds of misinformation, different kinds of rumors that are currently prevalent about AIDS and HIV. Gone are those days, fortunately, when people used to think that even touching a utensil which has been touched by somebody who is living with HIV or PLHIV, as we call them, would lead to transmission of AIDS. So thankfully those days are gone. Still, there are so many misinformations which are currently widespread in the society, as a result of which the discrimination and stigma are still present. So my request is to let this program be treated as a launch pad, after which we will try and see that how we can take this message to every household, to every village, to every school and college. Simultaneously, fortunately, Ribhoi as such is not a ticking time bomb. The way East India was, for your information, in East India the HIV prevalence rate was almost 2.8%, which is huge for a population of that size, which means that it's a ticking time bomb in the sense that it can always lead to an exponential growth if it remains unchecked. So how to check the same? It is also to the credit of the medical sciences that now we have a very reliable treatment regimen for AIDS, as a result of which the people living with HIV, if they are punctual, if they are persistent with that treatment regimen, their viral load can be reduced to an extent that it becomes almost impossible to transmit it to the next person.
Indicates that each and every one of us, we have to take part in eradicating the AIDS. And this year, in this year theme, the theme of this year is very important and meaningful. Overcoming disruption, transforming AIDS response. In life, problems are there, and each and every one of us, we have some problems, especially with health issues. But normal problems we can overcome. But with regards to the HIV/AIDS, it's a disease which, as our Deputy Commissioner stated, HIV/AIDS will not come and tell you that I will come and stay with you. You will not know. As he has stated, it's not coming like to press the bell or to knock at your door. It's a silent killer. It's a silent disease which you'll never know. And this disease we can overcome only when we all know through what the medical teams have already stated and explained to you. With medical terms and the awareness that each and every one of us, we should follow the right direction as explained by the medical officers. In this team, this year, the observation of World AIDS Day, this team, it encourages each and every one of us to take part. To take part in any programs helping our people, be it in town or be it at the rural villages. Come out open, speak out and explain to each and every person so that they can understand well and they can understand time.